Hi everyone, my name is Vito and I would like to welcome you back to my channel. Today I'm going to show you an easy way how to make fluffy vegan pancakes. And instead of eggs, we're going to use a can of... Yes, that's right, a can of chickpeas. The liquid inside is called Aquafaba and is a great binding agent. It will take us roughly 25 minutes to prepare this dish. And also I will show you how to make a lovely mixed berry compote for the pancakes. And don't forget the maple syrup. And now, let's hit it! For the pancakes we will need the following ingredients. 1 teaspoon of baking soda, 1 teaspoon of salt, 3 tablespoons of brown sugar, but you can use regular instead, 5 tablespoons of sunflower oil, 200 milliliters of soy milk, 1.5 cup of regular flour, a bit of lemon zest, a few drops of vanilla extract, and a can of chickpeas. For our fruit compote we will need mixed berries and 3 tablespoons of sugar. Our first step is to separate the liquid from the chickpeas. Add all your ingredients, but leave the flour for now. Slowly start adding flour while mixing in between. Preheat your pan and wipe it with a napkin soaked in oil, then bake the pancakes on medium heat. Now let's start a compote by cutting strawberries and blueberries into smaller pieces. Now take a saucepan and use most of your fruit while leaving a little for a fresh note for later. Let your fruit heat up. Then add the sugar, lower down the heat while cooking it for a few more minutes. And your last step is to squeeze a bit of lemon juice and add the rest of the fruits. Thank you guys for watching and I hope you will make these pancakes for yourself today. Anyway, please like, comment and subscribe to our channel to support us and see you next time. Cheers!